Gravity is the force that attracts a body toward any other physical body having mass.
Every object in the universe that has mass exerts a gravitational pull or force on every other mass. The size of the pull depends on the masses of the object. You exert a gravitational force that people around you, but that force isn't very strong since the people aren't very massive.
The gravitational attraction of all falling objects on Earth is 9.8 meters a second squared, or free fall. A bowling ball has more inertia than a die, so more force is needed to change the velocity, while the die has less mass, so less force is needed to change the velocity. This keeps the gravitational attraction on both objects 9.8 meters a second squared, which is the gravitational attraction of all objects on Earth.
The gravitational force between two objects is increased if the mass is increased. The average mass of an adult male is 86.18 kilograms. The Earth, its mass is 5972 kilograms, or 5.972 kilograms in scientific notation. That means every person on Earth would need 9,725,869,600,000 clones each to equal the mass of Earth.
Momentum is the quantity of motion of a moving body.
You can find an object's momentum by multiplying its mass or velocity in velocity, or P equals m times v.
A moving object has a momentum of 0, but when acted upon by an outside force will move and gain momentum.
Let's say a ball with a mass of 145 grams, or 0.145 kilograms, has a velocity of 5 miles per second east. The total momentum of the ball would be 0.725 meters a second, because 0.145 times 5 equals 0.725.
Motion can be transferred between two objects. Here, Jacob transferred his momentum to Caden, causing Caden to move and ultimately forced to the ground.
According to Newton's first law, an object will keep moving unless acted upon by an outside force. Jacob's board was stopped, but he kept moving because he was decelerating.
Everyday forces are acting upon you. And if you want to feel inspired, just remember, gravity keeps your feet on the ground, but takes you where you want to go.